Hi there, I'm so glad you could join me today. I'm going to make a little notelet card just so that I have it in my drawer ready for when I need to drop somebody a note for whatever reason. I don't want something that's got sentiments. So let me explain what I'm doing. I've got 160 grams white card ready to go as my base. I have some hand decorated card here using wax crayons to do my design and dyed with ink, and there is a video on that. And then I have some of this very soft sort of silky mulberry paper. It's lovely because it's got holes and fibers and all sorts of things in, and I just love the color with that. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a strip of my silky paper, which I have pre-cut, and I've made it slightly larger than I need, simply because you don't always stick things down really well. So I need to actually give myself a little bit to play with. I'm going to put some glue on here using my glue stick, and this paper doesn't actually allow you to use double-sided tape that easily, simply because the fibers of the handmade paper are a little bit fluffy and they tend to make the double-sided tape just peel off when you try to get the backing off. So I'm now going to just line my card up on my grid and use my grid as a method to be able to stick this down. I want this more or less in the center. So I give myself equidistance and just secure the base and then rub the rest down. Okay. Oh, not as straight as I thought it was, but that's the nice thing about the wet glue, is that you can slide things around. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to just simply take my pair of scissors and just trim this excess off. Maybe I must wait a little bit, it's a bit sticky at the moment. Short little strokes, yeah, there we go. Yeah, maybe the ideal thing would be to wait for it just to dry, but I'm nearly there. Right, so I'm just going to rub down the edges so that they're nice and flat. Get that nice and smooth. And as I say, I want to be able to use this as a notelet rather than as a greeting card. So with this particular piece of paper, I don't really like the design too much as one big sheet of paper. I just feel there's just too much of it. So I've cut out some of the leaves, and on their own, I'm very happy with them and their shape. And I'm going to just use these to decorate the center strip of the mulberry paper that I have placed down. This is a lovely way to use up odd bits and pieces of card and scrapbooking paper that you might have, because all you need is a strip and then you can just do some fun things in the middle. But I also like to show people how to do things which don't require a lot of equipment or a lot of different papers or a lot of techniques, because I think that that is encouraging, especially if you are a beginner. So you'll see that in no time at all, I've managed now to have made a beautiful little notelet, which I can actually use when I want to write somebody a message. Hope you've enjoyed this. Have fun with your card making. Leave some comments below and please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.